Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. Today we have a new product from NBR Motorsports. So let's jump over to our bench and I'll show you what we got today. Let's go. Over here at the bench we have NBR Motorsports' new part. This is our front brace for the VB WRX. So the cool thing about this brace is that we have done some testing back and forth, and then this one actually fits with the ETS intercooler. So regardless of what core size you have, the mounting locations are the same. I am running a 3.5-inch core in case someone was wondering, but that shouldn't really matter as, like I said, the mounting location doesn't change with the size of intercooler that you have. So this should be a pretty straightforward. You just got to get the bumper taken off. We have a few bolts up top. A few bolts up top, a couple clips, 2 on each side, and then a couple on the bottom. So I'll get you guys set up. We'll get this bumper taken off real quick, and we'll look to see where this brace is going to go. All right, with the front bumper taken off, you can see the ETS core. Like I said, this is our 3.5-inch core on here. So I know first thing we gotta do, we gotta get this shroud taken off. So that's actually just a little clip there. And then we got pop clip there, pop clip there. So let's get these 2 clips out. We'll get this shroud taken off and we'll go from there. Okay, with that shroud off, you can really see where this is going to go. So when you mock this up, looks like we got to take out this top bolt, and it looks like it will slip underneath right there. So it's going to go just like that. So let's get these top bolts taken off. They did supply some hardware, so this top one looks like this top one. Yeah, there's a welded nut on the back, so this is just a bolt, and then this bottom one we're going to put a bolt and a nut through here. So they do supply all the hardware. So let's get that put in. Let's get this mocked up, see what it looks like. So we have it mocked up. Everything's loose right now, but you can see there's our first mounting location. Second one is just right there. Go to the other side, same thing. Perfect fit. Doesn't hit the bolts or anything. You do have some clearance, but I mean, this bar is not going to be moving, so really looks good in front of the car. So let me get these tightened down. This is a 10 mil here, and this is, I believe, a 13. Let me check. Yeah, this is a 13 up top and then a 10 on the bottom. So let me get these tightened up and we'll get the bumper put on and we'll see what this thing looks like behind the grill. We got the bumper back on, got the car backed out. Can definitely see our brace back there. The white looks really good behind the grill. The bumper's a little bit dirty, got some dirt there, but you can still see the brace through the grill. I really think it looks really good. Definitely adds to the front aggressiveness, and this is a brace, so it does add some structural rigidity to the your radiator support up front. But overall, this is a 10 out of 10 on fitment, 10 out of 10 on looks. So I definitely recommend this product for anyone trying to get a front brace, and definitely if you have an ETS front mount, this confirmed fits with that, zero issues. Well, that's all I got for you guys on this one. Quick, easy install of our NBR Motorsports front brace. It does fit our ETS front mount intercooler. I'll have a link down below for NBR Motorsports website. This part isn't out just yet. It will be out very soon, so definitely stay tuned to their social media. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys on this one. Until next time, see you guys.